I just brought these cam over, or whatever you want to call them, straps for the ski, and they're rigged up wrong. So this edge, the one you pull, comes around like that. I don't know if you can see this. I'm trying to do the best I can. I'll flip it over so this one comes over the top, that one loops around. You can see that a lot better, yeah? So this one up the top, that's where you take the slack, you pull. And that one there latches over, so when it goes from there to there, it pulls. Typical, I get the one which isn't working. So that's just a cam over thing. So you get it to where you want, pull it, and latch it over like that. So they're rigged up wrong half the time, and that'll hold it in spot. There you go. Off. So just to show you again what it looks like. One coming down, over, loops around that bracket, over the top, back down, and that's the one you pull, and that's the one that levers. This one over here, I don't know who rigged it up, but don't even get involved, it's just wrong. So if you're wondering why it doesn't work, that's why.